The best way to trade RSI is to combine RSI with price action and a candlestick confirmation. So here is an example of how you can trade RSI divergence. In this chart, the price is making a higher low right now. And at the same point, RSI is making a lower low. So with this, we can see a divergence here. Price is making higher low. RSI is making a lower low. This is a signal that the sellers are losing momentum and that the bulls may be coming into the market at this present time. So at this point, since this is on 4 hours, I'll be looking for a signal to buy this currency pair in the 1 hour time frame. So let me check the 1 hour time frame and see what I have there. So here is the 1 hour chart, and from this point that the price touched the trend line we drew, we found out that the price was rejected at that point, and that was where we had this engulfing, bullish engulfing candle. There was a pullback, and also the price continued in the bullish direction, creating a higher low, and also it has moved up and retraced again and have created another higher low. With this recent higher lows that we are seeing in the price, that means there is a gradual entrance of bulls into the market. So what I'm going to do at this point is that, having observed these bullish engulfing candles at this point in time and the bullish divergence in the 4 hours time frame, I am going to long this currency pair with my stop loss just below this recent lows, below these bullish engulfing patterns. My first target will be this structure. That will be my first target. Then the next target will be this structure, then the structure. Those will be my immediate targets. Before I enter the trade, I will also need to add to that confirmation by drawing a trend line connecting all the lower highs in this downward trend to see if that has been broken. It is only when it is broken that I may also know that the confirmation to go for long is established. So having drawn this trend line, you can see very clearly that this trend line has been broken to the upside, which also confirms the signal we've gotten in the 4 hours that there is a bullish divergence. And in the 1 hour, we are seeing bullish engulfing candles and higher lows being made, which is also a confirmation. And finally, we are having a break in this descending trend line. These three signs have just confirmed to us that we can go long in this market, and we will have 70% of chances or 80% of chances of winning. So I'll go ahead and place the order with my appropriate stop loss and take profit. So this is my order. It has been placed, and my stop is just below the structure, and my take profit is just at that next structure. So here is the trade. Few minutes down the line, the trade is still moving. Here is profit, $99. Here is $433, and it's still going. So you can see that RSI divergence really works.